Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last did a bag unboxing here, and I know you guys missed this kind of videos, but then they're back. I have one today and I have another one coming up very soon, so you guys should wait on that. But then this one is very special to me because this is like a bag I've been wanting for the longest time. Like, I feel like I've said that for another video, but this particular one I've been wanting it for so long. But then I just never get it, and then I finally got it, and I'm so excited. So this is the Chanel boy bag. I'm just going to show you guys now. Actually, I recorded this video about 2 times, and then the first time my mic was off. The first time my mic was off, and then the second time I deleted it by mistake. So yeah, so this is the 3rd time I'm filming this video, so we're just going to act like this is the first time we're seeing this bag. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like straight off of the packaging, and then this was here too. This thing needs to focus. It came in this box that just says Chanel, and then this bow, it came off. So yeah, so I'm just going to be unboxing this bag and telling you guys a bit about it. So I got this bag from a brand, and right now they're actually having sales. If you're buying a bag or anything, they have bags, they have belts, and a lot of other luxury items. They have Gucci, LV, Chanel, and a lot of other brands. So I'm just going to leave their website in the comment section. I'm going to pin it to the comment section so you guys can check it out and like decide if you want to get any of their bags. They have $25 off if you're getting anything over $300, and I'm not really sure of how it is, but then I'm just going to leave all the information in the description box below, and then I'll leave the links too, so if you want to get it. I believe there's a discount code, so I'm going to leave that also. I can't really remember all of these things, so yeah, make sure you check out. So it comes in a dust bag like this. I'm just going to unbox it straight up because we're not trying to see all those other things. We're here for the bag. Everything came separately, but then just because this is like the 3rd time I'm filming this, I have already like set it up. I already set up the bag, but then when it comes, it doesn't come set up like this. You have to do that yourself. So I did this myself. The bag would come like separately from the strap. This is what the bag looks like. Like straight up from just looking at it, you can tell that it is high quality. This is the big size, so yeah, this is what it looks like. You guys, I showed my mom this bag and she's already collecting it from me, so this is probably the last time you see with me, except I get another one because I love it so much. And then I'm going to show you the back. If you have a Chanel boy bag, you probably know what this looks like. This is the one with the gold hardware. Can you see? I'll be showing clearly. Yeah, this is the one with gold hardware, and then it just has like adjustable straps. Yeah, it is quite big, honestly. It's just very basic, honestly. There's nothing special. There is one zip compartment inside, and that's basically it. They also have a lot of amazing other things. If you like me, I also want to get another thing from them, which is a belt. I want to get the Gucci belt from them. So yeah, anything you want, they basically have that, and I will highly recommend them because this bag is really high quality. As you can see, you guys already know I wouldn't recommend anything that I wouldn't use to you guys. So yeah, that's that for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment below. If you have any other bags that you would like to see me review, I'm honestly open to it, so just let me know and I'll let you guys know if I can do that. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Yeah.